Hi friends, this video shows how to change display resolution to HD, Full HD or 4K. First let me go to settings. Select settings icon from top. Go down and select display and audio settings. Go down, select HDMI resolution. Here you can see by default it would be auto. So auto means set-top box will automatically select best resolution for the connected TV. So here you can see this is the best resolution for this connected TV. So if you want to manually set the resolution, first disable this auto. Disable auto, then we can manually set the resolution. Let me set HD. Done. Select keep changes. Let me set full HD. So this way we can manually switch resolution. Done. See, now you can see I have set at full HD. So if you enable auto, as I said, set-top box will automatically select the suitable resolution for the connected TV. Let me enable auto. See, you can see it's automatically switched to the best resolution. So this way we can change display resolution. You can try this. I hope you have enjoyed this video. Please subscribe this channel. Please like and share the video.